Hello everyone, welcome to EcademicTube. So today we are going to solve, or you can say derive a problem. So it is given that the projectile is launched with a velocity v0. So suppose first of all let me draw the coordinate system. So this is our y coordinate, this is our x coordinate, and our particle is here. So the projectile is launched with a velocity v0. Determine the range, maximum height attained, and the time of flight. So the particle is given a velocity v0, and so as this is a projectile, this particle will go like in this manner in a parabolic path, and the question asks us to determine the range. So this one is range from starting point to end point, and asking the maximum height attained. So this one will be our maximum height, and the time of the flight. So when the ball will reach here, so he is asking to derive the time. Here the time is equal to 0 when it got the velocity. So now we will derive these equations whatever they have asked. So as we know that as means distance traveled by any particle is equal to its velocity into time. So as the final distance minus initial distance can be written as this way. So we can write this one like as the final distance. So the final distance from the starting point, we can call this range r is equal to s0 plus v0 t. Okay, so basically we can write this one as range is equal to 0 plus, so this one is the velocity, and we want the velocity in x direction. So we can write this as v0 cos theta, and the velocity in y direction we can write it as v0 sin theta, and here the theta is angle between the projectile direction and the horizontal direction. So we can write furthermore like v0 cos theta into t. Okay, also we can write, mark this. Okay, again we are writing s is equal to s0 plus v0 t plus half, and the acceleration of gravity is g into t square. How this we got? We know like s is equal to ut plus half at square. We all know this equation. From that we wrote that in a different way. Okay, so this is we are writing for y direction. Okay, so as we know the particle will go up and will come down. So in both the cases the direction, the final y coordinate will be equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0 plus v0 sin theta t plus half. Gravity is in negative direction, so we can write here negative. Okay, so from this we will get 0 is equal to v naught sin theta minus half g, and from here we can put the value of t here. So the t will be equal to r by v naught cos theta, means here we can write t is equal to r by v naught cos theta, and we put that value of t here. Okay, so we will move, then we will get from this equation range is equal to v naught square divided by g into sin 2 theta. Okay, so we got the equation of range here. Okay, now we will calculate for time of flight. So for this one I can write time is equal to r by v naught cos theta. From where it came, so we can know time is equal to distance by velocity. From there it is 10. The distance is the range and the horizontal velocity is v dot, means v naught cos theta. So now we will replace the values, then v naught square 2 sin theta cos theta divided by v naught cos theta into g. We did nothing, just put the value of r here. Okay, so we will get 2 v naught sin theta divided by g. So we got the flight time here. Okay, now next we want to calculate the maximum height attained by the particle, right? So as we know the equation, final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus 2 into acceleration into distance. So we will put the values here. V square is equal to v naught square plus 2 AC. AC here is the gravity, and S minus S naught. Okay, so as we know the final velocity will be equal to 0, and the initial velocity is v naught sin theta. The final velocity will be equal to 0 because when the particle will reach the top position, the y component of velocity will be equal to 0. Okay, and square plus 2, gravity is in downward direction, the maximum height is h and the initial height is equal to 0. So from there we will get h is equal to v naught square divided by 2g into sin square theta. So in this way we got the values of range, time and height, and all the equations are represented with respect to the velocity, gravity and the given angle theta and the velocity given. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the equations and the solution. For further any doubts you can WhatsApp us here, and also for other queries and everything you can also mail us. Thank you very much for contacting or come to watch the video of EcademicTube. Thank you.